let's connect this to this board. And, so once it's connected,
This is the reset button. You can start using this one.
Okay.
Start booting.
what you will see is the time and date here. No, display time is not tuned. I think it can be reset.
Okay.
Okay. And as I said, there are 4 buttons here. If you can see here, there is one button here. Okay, there is another button here. There is one at this end. And there is one another here. I don't know if you can see this, but it may not be visible here. So this is the 4th button. This is the reset button as well. As soon as you connect the battery, this is the button that needs to be given slide press.
Okay.
And then it starts booting.
Alright.
Okay.
Once booted, this button will be used for
Don't
navigation.
use this finger. Okay. So
This button will be used for navigation.
Okay.
Like screens, wall screens, it will go. Once we
So
press
this-
it.
simple. Okay, so this is a browse button also. So you can browse through the applications one after the other. And once you want to make selection, you want to enter a particular application,
You should
use this button, the upper button.
Okay.
So this is for going through, walking through all the applications. If you want to enter, use this button.
If you want to set any value, you want to set, just select this one for highlighting.
This is okay. This button is for selection.
Okay.
So there are parameters that can be set here. To set this parameter, you have to select them first.
Okay.
The selection can be done. Once you have selected this, if you want to change this value, this is only increment or decrement.
Okay.
Decrement is again these 2 buttons.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll repeat once again. This button is for browsing through the applications.
Right.
This button is entering a particular application. That means once you browse to a particular screen,
Yeah.
is click this, you will enter that application.
Right.
And then there are parameters inside that you want to select,
That
make
particular
a selection
application.
using this.
I get it.
And then if you want to change that parameter, you can either increment or decrement using these 2 buttons. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
This
See
one
there.
is for decremental.
Okay.
This one incremental.
Okay.
To exit from this, again you need to press this one, 4th one.
So this is your back button or exit an application.
Okay.
So you come back to the screen.
Got it.
Okay. So let's try a quick heart rate monitor. Okay, this is heart rate monitor.
You enter
Okay,
into
then
this.
enter. See that LED glowing here.
You need to put like this.
Wait for about 10 seconds. See, it will show the value.
Okay.
See, she looks very calm and cool. So that's the reason why you find this value. You know, in the exhibition and all, don't put your fingers. If you put, it will be 100 around. Okay, ask your customer to put it. Okay, so and then you can.
Again, if you want to exit from this,
So slide press and then you can exit. You can browse through again.
How about BT?
Bluetooth. Actually, do you have the?
It's already showing it on the, it's showing
Bluetooth is already enabled because of the testing that has been happening.
Okay.
You can go through the settings and switch it off. Okay, this is the settings button, settings application, and then select the BLE, change it, so it goes to off, exit it.
again you want pedal also off. You have to navigate these settings.
Okay, one question, sorry. Once you have entered this settings, can you exit the settings? No, back button. Okay, you exit it. Enter again. Okay, you entered. This is BLE. After this, there is pedo. How do you browse to the next one?
This one.
This browse.
Okay.
So within the application, if you are trying to go to multiples, again same browse button.
Okay.
Across applications, browse is the same button.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Always selection is this button.
Okay.
Always exit or back is this button.
Okay.
Increment decrement is these two buttons. This is decrement. This is increment.
Correct.
Okay. Those are the 4 functions of these buttons.
Sure.
Okay. Let's exit this thing. So now you see, this has been exited. You don't see any notifications here.
Can
So
you check for
Bluetooth is-
BT?
BT is off now, so there's no.
No, can you check that?
You want to verify?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I can. So is your?
App is installed now.
I guess it is installed. Okay.
Okay, you need app or
No. There's an INEDA application which is developed specifically, which will connect over the BLE to this device.
Okay.
So you can. There are applications inside that app
Okay.
to collect the HRM data
Okay.
or weather data, all this.
Right.
Okay. So
No,
let's see if we can
for-
find this phone or not.
Yeah.
This Bluetooth. Okay. So you can
thing
switch
is
on your
if we
Bluetooth.
can have those app for demo purpose and all those things.
Yeah, we will provide. We will anyway show you. So it doesn't need to be specially shipped. You can mail it. It's a small.
Can I email it?
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So I'm switching on my Bluetooth
Okay.
and let me search.
Switch on this.
Ah.
I think
so
Bluetooth
I want
is
to show
off
there's
on-
nothing here first. And then because you had the question, so let me go to settings and I go to Bluetooth and there's some devices currently being shown here. Let me search for more. KBN is something else. This should show us what is the name of this.
600 with
Yeah, i600 is the name of this board. So it should show as i600 some serial number. Okay, so let's switch on the Bluetooth on this. So now enter the application, select this one and change this.